How to turn off comments on TikTok now. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to turn off comments on TikTok now. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok Now app, which is a new app by TikTok. So if you have uploaded a photo on your TikTok Now, but you want to turn off comments, you can see on TikTok Now we can add a comment. Our friends can add a comment. We can check the likes just like on TikTok, and we get comments and likes. But I want to delete comments, or I want to turn them off completely. How to do that? It's really easy. You will go to your profile from the bottom right here. It will take you to your profile. Now we have our memories. You have this calendar. So in memories, you will select the date and open up the photo for which you want to turn off the comment. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, and we have privacy settings, download, and delete. So what you need to do is you will click on privacy settings, and then we have who can view, friends or followers, and then we have comments. So it says allow comments, and you can see it's actually turned on. So you will turn it off by just clicking right here, and now it's gray. That means the comments are turned off now. So it's done, and now you can see no one can comment. There's the comment section from here disappeared because I have actually disabled comments. So even if I click on comments, you can see you turned off comments, and this is how you can turn off comments on TikTok now. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.